Yap in the game.
Yap is too strong for Jack.
18 na naman ang abante ng Pure Foods.
Again, that zone defense that Pure Foods is holding up. Oh, hindi makapasa yung Barangay Ginebra sa loob. Oh. Iniikot nila ang bola around the perimeter. They'll have to go for a shot soon.
And here's Sunday Salvacion. And the lures ball picked up by Macapagal.
And he makes it.
And here will pick up a foul and a three-point play opportunity. Ang problema, no, nakaka-score naman itong Barangay Ginebra here in the third quarter. Pero hindi nila mapigilan yung mga ginagawa naman ng Pure Foods sa opensa. Dito, nagbinti si Sunday Salvacion. Naswertehan ni Macapagal. Dalawa pa sumabay sa kanya sa ere. And Macapagal is at the line for a free throw.
At napapansin natin dito, Ginebra is bleeding for its points. This three-point play by Macapagal was well earned.
The hard way.
Oo.
Chandler at midcourt. Ito na si James Yap against Rod Neely. Tumalikod nga si Rod Neely pero naka-usli yung kamay niya kaya tinawagan ng foul. 1 minute 47 seconds to go here in the third quarter.
Penalty situation in effect. Now check the turnover story in this game. 7 turnovers for Ginebra and only 5 for Pure Foods in the entire game. So hindi naman nagkakalayo, no? The big difference has really been
yung offense,
in field goal shooting. Pure Foods is still hitting 63% from the floor, while Ginebra is 47.5. You talk of shot selection, you talk of getting red hot, getting screens and picks for your plays. Pure Foods offense working beautifully tonight.
Alalahanin natin na nasa pang-siyam na pwesto sa kasalukuyan ng Pure Foods. Nakagagaling lamang sa 3 sunod-sunod na pagkatalo sa Coca-Cola, San Miguel. At kung nakaraang Biyernes lang, against Santa Lucia, natalo po ang Pure Foods. Kaya talagang higil na gigil ko makabawi itong Tender Juicy Giants. Makapagal with a handoff to Billy Mamaril and they swarm all over him. At ang tatawagan, sino ba? Dami nun Chandler.
Yes, maganda rin itong adjustment sa opensa ng Barangay Ginebra. With that kind of zone defense, once you penetrate it and dish off, go for the extra pass, there will be some kind of contact because that lane is so clogged by the zone defenders ng Pure Foods. So, baka ang plano dito ni Coach Joseph Aquino, uubusin niya itong short-handed Pure Foods team.
Samantala, panoorin po natin itong mga kaibigan. Rod Neely goes up for that slam dunk brought to you by Yakult. Yakult every day. Every day okay. Sigurado ka siyan. Samantala, Billy Mamaril with one more free throw. Pure Foods lead is down somewhat to 15. 90-75. Alalahanin po ninyo kanina, umabot siya ng 25 at 71-46 back in the second quarter. Peter Junjimon, ito po yung talaga namang kakaibang pinakikita nitong energy para sa Pure Foods.
Kanya naman si Rod Neely na bumapantay kay Simon.
Oh.
There's a switch now. Makapagal.
And Junjimon gets it over to Ray Evangelista. Wala. Loose ball picked up by Jack Chia. Forward of Rod Neely. Rod Neely, the front coach of the Luminoy Castillo. Neely goes up. At nakakuha ng foul.
Yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko, no? They're beginning to attack the basket strong. They're going to the line. They're getting free throws.
Pero sabi mo nga, no easy shots here. Para sa Barangay Ginebra. Talaga pinahirapan sila.
But they're able to pick up a lot of fouls now against Pure Foods. At kung titingnan naman natin kung sino mga nasa foul trouble ng Pure Foods, Chandler, 3 personal fouls. And that's
8-7-2-5-8-8. Simpleng kausap ang direct link. 1 of 2 by Noy Castillo. And the crowd, the Barangay Ginebra crowd is starting to get into the action here. Ito na si Macapagal. And again, Chavez takes it out to Neely. Neely inside. At kagulo dito sa Araneta Coliseum. 5 seconds to go in the third quarter. Richard Yee, nabitawan ng bola pero meron pa natatawagan ng Billy Mamaril with 9/10 of a second remaining.
Ginebra players up in arms.
That's a penalty yan.
A blocking foul has been called. Remember,
sigawan yung mga fans dito.
and we did say in the middle of this quarter, kung maibaba ng Ginebra, yung kalamangan ng Pure Foods to 10 at the start of the fourth period, we will have a ball game.
We do.
Yes, and we certainly do. It's just a 10-point lead, but Richard Gee.
Pero nakita niyo naman yung reaction ni Coach Jong Wichico, with an assistant coach na si Art Calapuz. Richard Gee, ngayon na pinasok ito. Sa third quarter na pinasok ito. Hindi pumasok ang una. Dumadagundog po palakpakan ng mga fans ng Barangay Ginebra na kanina pa po naluluyo ang mga lalamunan at napapani sa mga laway sapagkat hindi po nakakasigaw. Richard Gee rings it on the second try. Pero pa isang segundo. At patatapos po ang ating third quarter with Pure Foods hanging on. 11-point lead by Pure Foods. Kanina po ay 25 yan. Naibaba po ng Barangay Ginebra sa 11. Yan ang kanilang number 1 cheerleader na si Coach Jong Wichico. Sa kabila naman, sa cool effect, si Coach Ryan Gregorio habang humahabol ang Barangay Ginebra. At ang score ngayon, ayan, 92-81. At habang nanonood ka ng mga tikubong bakbakan sa hard court between Ginebra and Pure Foods, mag-relax!
Basketball is...
Alright mga kaibigan, yung dalawang imports, pareho pong nagmumuni-muni habang paumpisa na itong ating fourth quarter. Yan si Hot Rod Neely at si Marvelous Martin Chandler. Halos pareho, rebounds, medyo lamang pa si Neely. Assist naman lamang si Martin Chandler. Rod Neely scored 14 points, 14 of those 26 in the third quarter, na kung saan po naghabol ang Barangay Ginebra down by 25 at one point. At ngayon po sa pag-uumpisa ng ating fourth quarter, 11 ang inahabol ng Barangay Ginebra sa Pure Foods Center Juicy Giants.
Ang nakakagulat sa stat ni Rod Neely is that he has collected only 1 assist in this game and he's averaging 6 in this conference. That means he's not able to get the right passes to his teammates to score.
Alright, narito si Ray Evangelista. Nakawala! No, hindi. Nasa pick ni Marco Cotacaral. And Chavez forward to Ronald Subit. He's back! And Jordan Salvador pulls him down.
And what a way to announce his re-entry. Ito, nasaktan yung balikat.
Ano mo kanina, during the break, meron isang fan dito na ini-interview doon sa ating Coliseum Public Address System. At nakikiusap siya, Ronald, bumalik ka na. Kahit may sugat ka, kahit may injury ka, kailangan ka namin. At like a good soldier, bumalik naman si Ronald Tubig.
Wounded soldier ito, Hindi na yung kanyang shoulder injury. And you see that...
Wounded shoulder pa ka mo. Ginugulo mo ako eh. Linawin mo.
Oh, he got that sleeve.
At saka, may bandage pa sa kilay. Parang buksigero ito. Hindi mo kang basketball player. Ang mga pagkakataon na hindi pinapalabas lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang buhay ko, buksan mo. Ay, binuksan na. Ni Ronald Subid, bukas na bukas.
22 points.
Siyam na lang. Single digit lead na lang. Ay, nako, nahuli. Pure Foods, 5 seconds. Hindi maipasa ni Jordan Salvador sa loob. On the pressure applied by Barangay Ginebra. At nako, ito na, nakakagulo na yung mga fans dito sa loob. Ayan na, sinasabi ko na nga, Ayan na. Ayan na. Wala. Ito si Martin Chandler. Chandler, getting the break. Jules Simon!
A big basket by Simon, considering that he only had 2 points in the third period. Maganda yung breakaway, partner.
Oh, yes. Asahan mo talaga yan si Peter Jules Simon sa mga ganyan sitwasyon. But that was, of course, orchestrated by Martin Chandler. Mark makatagal from the outside. Martin Chandler para sa rebound.